Do you really hate when this happens to your favorite clothing, like this ugly lint, and it is really annoying, and either you stop wearing your favorite clothes or you either throw them away and waste money? So today I'm going to share a gadget that will cure this, and it will make your clothes look like new. So here is the product. It's a small gadget. It will save you tons of money, and it is really simple. I have added the link in the description box. It's a lint removal, it's electrical, and it is USB powered, so no battery is required. And it is very simple design. There is a chrome finish grill here. You can remove the cap by unscrewing this, and it will expose this 3 blades that are very sharp, and it is perfect to remove all that ugly lint. So let's power this. You can power it with a power bank, or you can plug it to a USB plug, and when you turn it on, it has a very low noise like this, you can hear. And now let's test this. So here I have this ugly lint, and then I'm going to swipe it in up and down motion, and you can see before your eyes the lint is gone for good, and it makes the fabric look brand new. Isn't that really great? And it is a very simple gadget, very easy to use and operate, and I have added the link in the description box. You can check it out, and you can see the before and after picture here. So this is how you can save money on your clothing, and you can wear your favorite clothes again. Don't forget to like and share this video, and I'm going to show you how to clean this. It is very simple. Just pop up the lid, and then you can empty the bin. You can see all the lint that it has removed, and with the brush provided with it, you can clean it and just pop it back again, and it's ready for next use. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.